bed. Both the girls are over here. Here's Harley. She's wearing the cutest little outfit today. She's worn it before. I just don't know if I've shown you guys it. And here's Amy. She's also wearing a super cute outfit and comfy. She loves wearing her little zip-up jackets. So she has a cute outfit under that too, but she loves that jacket. And we put a purple bow in her hair. I don't think she's worn that bow yet, but there's purple in that, so we finally got the chance to wear it. And she's reading a book. What book are we reading? On the Night You Were Born. It's actually a really cute book, so we're going to read that. And I'm looking for recipes on Pinterest right now for dinner. I want to use the slow cooker. I just don't know what to make. But there's this Thai curry meal I think we might try. I'm going to see if Brandon wants that. But yeah, so I'm going to continue looking for recipes and then possibly wake Brandon up soon so I can go grocery shopping. And then we're going to go to my mother-in-law's today and hang out because we haven't been over there for a while. So yeah, I'm going to get Harley now. Bye.
Babies, look this way. Oh, oh, look at that. Sorry, I know I'm in your way.
No, you're fine.
Oh.
You guys are so cute.
Oh my god.
Do it again, Wiggy.
Amy Rose, Wiggy, look. Look.
Oh, wait.
Oh, look at the camera.
Oh, look at you guys.
Oh.
I don't know how to use my freaking camera.
Aw.
Hang on, guys.
Photo shoot.
Hey guys, look. Look at this.
Make my heart melt.
Oh.
Alright, all done. We're home now, and Harley she didn't pee through, she threw up everywhere while Brandon was feeding her. So, you're so cute. She's singing her ABCs. But she threw up everywhere while she was getting fed. So, my nephew had to lend her some clothes, so she's in this little boy outfit. But she looks so cute in it. Look at her. Don't wipe her face, you goofball. She's got her little cute little boots on with the cute little shirt that makes her look so cute in a bow. And hi, Harley. Hi. She was just laughing so much. It was so cute. Actually laughing, so that's the first time she's done that. Say hi.
Hi.
All right, so I'm going to get these girls ready for bed, and we will see you guys after. Bye.
Bye.
Change of plans. We're not doing night-night time yet. We're doing tummy time. Hi, Harley.
No,
Are you doing tummy time with her? Are you showing her how to do it? That's so nice of you. Harley, can you lift up your head? Don't put your hand. No. Don't put your hand in her mouth. That's yucky. She's smiling. You gotta lift your head. You gotta lift it. Show her how to lift your head, Aim. So she doesn't really like it, and she doesn't really do much, but she needs to learn, so we still make her do it. Oh, you're so sweet. Alright, so we're just going to continue doing this, and then we're going to get ready for bedtime. Every night before bed, it is 9:45, Amy's bedtime is at 9, and Brandon looks like this with her. Every single night. So now she's all wound up for bed. Thank you, Brandon.
Play that. Play that.
All right, do you want us to say goodnight, Amy? Say night-night, everyone. All right, guys, we're going to go to bed, so good night. Please like and subscribe. Bye.
I love you.